ASUS, renowned for its cutting-edge gaming technology, has expanded its ROG Swift OLED lineup with a new and captivating addition, the 34-inch gaming monitor model, bearing the model number PG34WCDM. This latest innovation offers an enticing blend of ultra-wide display capabilities and advanced technology that is sure to captivate gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Setting itself apart from the competition, the 34-inch ROG Swift OLED monitor delivers an ultra-wide OLED display without compromising on response time or refresh rate, a unique feat in the gaming monitor landscape. With its 800R curvature, the display creates an immersive gaming experience, enveloping players in the action. The 3440 by 1440 resolution complements the ultra-wide format and is further enhanced by an impressive 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and fluid visuals, even during fast-paced gameplay. The utilization of OLED technology within the panel grants the monitor an exceptional ability to render colors with depth and vibrancy, accompanied by truly deep blacks and striking contrast. This results in visuals that are not only visually pleasing, but also allow for more accurate representation of in-game environments and details. The display boasts an astonishingly swift response time of only 0.03 milliseconds, a crucial factor that minimizes motion blur and enhances overall clarity, ultimately contributing to a more immersive gaming experience. Furthermore, the ROG Swift OLED model seamlessly integrates G-Sync technology, effectively addressing concerns related to screen tearing and latency issues. By synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's output, G-Sync ensures smoother gameplay and a heightened sense of realism. Additionally, the PG34WCDM is equipped to handle HDR content, further enhancing the visual depth and realism of supported games and media. As impressive as the visual capabilities are, ASUS has also gone to great lengths to address practical concerns. The integration of a custom heatsink serves to efficiently regulate the display's temperature, mitigating the risks of overheating and the potential for screen burn-in, the common concern with OLED technology. This thoughtful addition demonstrates ASUS's commitment to ensuring the longevity and performance of their cutting-edge display. Connectivity options have been meticulously considered, providing users with a versatile range of choices. The inclusion of HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Type-A, and a 90W USB power delivery port ensures compatibility with a wide variety of devices and peripherals. This versatility caters to both gaming needs and daily computing tasks, adding to the monitor's overall utility. Regrettably, as of now, ASUS, the illustrious Taiwanese tech giant, has chosen to keep the gaming community in suspense by withholding the crucial pricing information for their much-anticipated creation, the ROG Swift OLED PG34WCDM. While gamers and tech enthusiasts eagerly await this revelation, the company's reputation for producing high-quality products at competitive price points suggests that the monitor will likely offer an enticing balance between cutting-edge technology and affordability. Enthusiasts need not wait too long to quench their curiosity, as ASUS is projected to unveil the ROG Swift OLED during the fourth quarter of this year, coinciding with the festive season of Christmas. This timing couldn't be more fitting, as the monitor's arrival would undoubtedly spark joy and excitement among the gaming community, making it a potential must-have item on many wishlists. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.